Hello, everybody. I'm going to start one series related to cybersecurity part. So we'll try to cover some important features, concept of cybersecurity, which I'm also doing the backend, guys. So this session will be very short and quick. And in this session, we are going to cover one of the important topics, that is CIA. And I will try to explain with the help of example also. Confidentiality, integrity, and availability. ओके गाइस, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी, इंटीग्रिटी एंड अवेलेबिलिटी। इसको हम ऑथेंटिकेशन भी बोलते हैं। अवेलेबिलिटी इज आल्सो कॉल्ड ऑथेंटिकेशन। ओके, we'll try to see with the help of example, and it is widely asked in the interview, and you should be aware about this concept, otherwise maybe we will lack in the productions while doing anything related to security. Okay, perfect. So what is confidentiality, guys? Okay, let me take the pen. What is confidentiality? I will try to explain first, and then I will try to explain with the help of example, like how we generally break. Okay. Okay. So for examples, we are sending, this is the user, right? Maybe this is the one user, and this is the another user, and whatever data we are sending to each other, right? We should be confirmed, like whatever data we are sharing, that is the actual genuine guy. Let's consider with help of like your company examples. Okay, we are sending mail and to your company users, right? Maybe 5-10 users is there. Yeah. So we are sure, okay, we are sending data to 5 user, and 5 user are part of our company. So that is called confidentiality. Okay, थोड़ा यहाँ से मैं समझाता हूँ guys, how it is generally break. Okay, for examples, we this is the user, and he is trying to send some data to the company user. Apart from that, he also sent one unauthorized peoples. He belong from the some another company, right? So it is break the confidentiality, right? Correct. So confidentiality is like it is ensuring that data is accessible only to authorized users who is authorized for that data. Okay, not anyone else. So जो भी पर्सन उस डेटा के लिए ऑथराइज है, अगर वो डेटा उन्हीं को रिसीव हो रहा है, दैट इज कॉल्ड कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी। अगर वो डेटा उनके अलावा कोई और पर्सन को, थर्ड पर्सन को, दैट इज वी कैन से लाइक दे आर नॉट ऑथोराइज्ड यूजर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड ब्रेक ऑफ द कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी। ओके, आई होप आपको कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी की एक्चुअल मीनिंग समझ में आ गया होगा। ओके, primarily enforced through encryption techniques. Okay, common violation, packet sniffing, breaking encryption, and unintentional human errors. Okay, so I hope you now must aware like what is confidentiality and how it generally break. Okay, so मैं क्या बता रहा हूँ, उसका definition along with example भी बता रहा हूँ. Okay, perfect. Okay guys, now let's come to the integrity. Okay, यहाँ integrity देखते हैं. Perfect. Let me erase this. Integrity means, guys, whatever data. Okay, just 1 minute. Okay, so whatever data, for example, this users and send data to the 5 authorized people, and all belong from our company. Just for examples, I'm just consider like emails. So whatever data he sent to all the authorized peoples, and there is no any modification in the middle by someone else, maybe attacker. That is called integrity. So जो हमने डेटा आपको भेजा, for example, ऐसा समझते हैं with the help of some other example. For examples, this is the user, and he's trying to send 10 books, guys, to these users. Okay, 10 books. So he's going to use 10 books plus some hashing method. Integrity means hashing. For example, SA1, and it is going to generate one hash here. So data plus integrity method, we can say like hashing method, it generates some hash value. For example, 1, 2, 3. Okay. When this data received to these people, receiver को जब receive हुआ, he is also going to use its own hashing method. It is going to pick your data using its own hash value. Hashing method, we can say like whatever he is using. For example, let's consider same. Generally, both side we keep same. SHA-1 or SHA-256. Just consider whatever we have used here, and it's generate the hash, and it again same 1 2 3. So now it will be, he will realize, okay, so whatever data I have received, that is the genuine one. There is no any modification in the middle. जो हमने डेटा आपको भेजा वही आपको रिसीव हुआ. देर इज नो एनी मॉडिफिकेशन इन द मिडिल. दैट इज कॉल्ड इंटीग्रिटी. ओके. अगर हमने आपको 10 बुक सेंड किया और आपको 9 रिसीव हुआ और हैशिंग जब कैलकुलेट हुआ रिसीवर साइड में वो भी डिफरेंट है, दैट इज ब्रेक आवर इंटीग्रिटी. मतलब जो भी हमने डेटा आपको सेंड किया दैट इज नॉट रिसीव्ड बाय यू, इट इज ब्रेक आवर इंटीग्रिटी. ओके. सो दिस इज अबाउट इंटीग्रिटी गाइस. ओके. ओके, लास्ट वन इज गाइस विल ट्राई टू सी अवेलेबिलिटी. ओके. I will try to explain with the help of example also, no problem. Okay, so what is availability? Availability is also called authentication. Okay, for examples, this is your laptop, right? जो हमें कंपनी में मिलता है, and we generally get some username password, correct? So जब भी हम इसमें यूजर ने पासवर्ड से लॉग इन करते हैं, देन वी एक्सेस आवर रिसोर्स रिलेटेड टू अदर्स लाइक ईमेल एंड अदर स्टफ्स, राइट? क्या कोई दूसरा यूजर नेम, कोई दूसरा पर्सन आके यूजर नेम पासवर्ड डालकर उसको एक्सेस कर सकता है क्या? नो. दैट इज कॉल्ड अवेलेबिलिटी. Data must be available when needed by authorized users. Okay. So when you are trying to access your data, your devices, and you are using your correct username password, and you are able to access it, that is called availability. That is called authentications. Like the actual genuine guy is trying to access that application. Sorry, try to access that machines, that laptop, desktop, data, right? The genuine guy. Okay. अब ये ब्रेक कैसे होता है? लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आपने कल ऑफिस लॉग इन किया. ओके. एंड देन आपको एक स्क्रीन में दिखा योर अकाउंट योर अकाउंट हैज बीन लॉक. हैज बीन लॉक. Your account has been locked. Please try after some times. What the meaning? Means this is your system, but someone is trying to access with the help of some, username and password is incorrect. So this is your laptop, but someone is trying to use username password incorrect. And after some attempts, like 5 4 attempts, whatever the settings we have enabled, this error generally received to the users. Why you receive that? To avoid to compromise our devices. ओके. सो जब भी आप लैपटॉप लॉग इन किया एंड आपको ये एरर मिला, योर अकाउंट हैज बीन लॉक, यू ट्राई आफ्टर सम टाइम, मींस समवन हैज ट्राई टू एक्सेस योर डिवाइसेस with the help of some wrong credential, username, password, right? That is break our availability, that is break our authentication, right? So यहाँ पर availability and authentication break हुआ guys. Okay. So I hope कि in short में आपको clear हो गया होगा what is confidentiality, integrity and availability. नो, बिफोर क्लोजिंग दिस सेशन एक बार मैं रफली ऐसे बता देता हूं फिर से. कॉन्फिडेंशियलिटी मींस हमें ये कंफर्म है कि व्हाट एवर डेटा आई एम सेंडिंग, दैट इज द जेन्युइन गाय हु इज रिसीविंग. परफेक्ट. इंटीग्रिटी, व्हाट एवर आई हैव सेंड देयर इज नो एनी मॉडिफिकेशन इन द डेटा इन द मिडिल. अवेलेबिलिटी मींस whatever devices we have, whatever data we have, that is received by authorized users. Okay, for examples, there are 10 peoples, so I'm sending data to all 10 peoples. So we should be aware, okay, so 10 people is authorized users to access that data. So 10 बंदे को ही access है to get that resources. That is called availability. Okay. So data must be available when needed by authorized users. मैंने आपको एक लैपटॉप का एग्जांपल देकर बता दिया. Achieved through implementing redundancy. Okay. Violation include hardware damage and denial of service. Okay. So this is about confidentiality, integrity, and availability. I hope this session has been informative, guys. And don't worry about it. We'll try to cover some other things. We'll try to do other content like one by ones in our upcoming session. This is just the first session about the cybersecurity, guys. So I'm going to cover all the things, all the important topics one by one on each session. Okay. So if you like the efforts, guys, please share, like, subscribe my channels. Share this video to the person who want to build a career in this field. Share in your circle, share to the needed peoples, because we don't need to pay anything. This series is totally free, guys. So yes, let's meet on the next session, and thanks for your time and thanks for watching.